The most common application developed with Spring Boot is a web application where we have a client side and a server side. The server side implements the logic requested by the client, and the client make a request to the server side. So we use HTTP protocol to communicate between the server and the client. That is, we make a request and we get the response. So the Java code that we have in the backend, that is in case of Spring, doesn't understand the HTTP, so we need something that understands the HTTP. So that is where the servlet container comes to the rescue. So servlet container refers to as web server. It understands the HTTP and translates HTTP request and response to our Java application. So we have a lot of servlet container, in this case Tomcat, but we also have Pyara, we have JBoss, we have also JT. Okay, so it is called Tomcat servlet container. So why it is called servlet container? Because we have servlet that is inside the container. That is why it is called Tomcat servlet container. What is servlet? Servlet is a Java object that interacts with the servlet container. Okay, so when we make a request, when a client make a request to the backend, the Tomcat servlet container translates this request to our Java object, and it finds the object associated with the request, that is the specific request that is made. It finds the object associated with it and return a response. Here you can see we have servlet inside the servlet container: admin page servlet, user page servlet, the product page servlet. Okay, so in the Spring Boot, when we create a new project, it uses the Tomcat. It pre-configured. We have Tomcat pre-configured, so we don't need to implement it ourselves. There is already designed component, and when we create a web application, it comes with the Tomcat that is in the Spring Boot. And we only have a single servlet which serves as the entry to our application. So that is the servlet container, and in the next video you will learn how to create a new Spring Boot project